So next circuit is hydraulic circuit is meter out circuit. Meter out circuit. In both hydraulic and pneumatic system, meter in and meter out, both type of speed control circuit is always used. So we see meter out circuit in a hydraulic system. So all of you see firstly figure schematic diagram of circuit diagram of meter out circuit. So this is a circuit diagram. So in that it consists of oil reservoir, pump, filter, pressure relief valve, 4x2 directional control valve, solenoid operated, check valve, and double acting cylinder. Okay. So this is a 4x2 DCV we can use here. The operating control mechanism is used in directional control valve is solenoid operated. Okay. So this is a meter out circuit. So what is a meter out circuit? In meter out circuit we can use a flow control valve. This is a flow control valve. Okay, so this is a flow control valve. So this flow control valve is mounted in between actuator and DCV on return line. Okay, on return line we can mounted directional control, we can mounted flow control valve, or we can control a flow by using flow control valve in a return line of a hydraulic circuit or hydraulic system. So that type of circuit we can use flow control valve on a return line, or we can control the flow of a fluid by using a flow control valve, and that flow control valve is mounted on a return line. So that type of circuit is known as meter out circuit. So this is a basic figure, all of you see. Okay. In a meter out circuit, the flow control valve is connected in the secondary line directly after the load. In meter out flow is metered after coming out from cylinder. For forward stroke, port P is connected to A, and after completion of stroke B is connected to R. But in a return line, flow control valve with check valve is placed in parallel with each other. So the flow is metered before going to reservoir. In this figure, forward stroke is controlled stroke. For return stroke, P is connected to B and flow is taken into cylinder, directly opening spool of check valve without restriction of a flow control valve. Hence, return stroke is uncontrolled stroke. Okay, so this is the explanation of meter out circuit. What is meter out circuit and how it can be worked. Okay, so next point is applications. So applications of meter out circuit. First application is drilling, application in drilling, boring and reaming machine. Okay, next application is speed control of hydrometer. So those are the applications of meter out circuit. Next point is advantages of a meter out circuit. So first advantage is stable movement of piston. Second advantage is heated oil is taken to reservoir. Disadvantages of meter out circuit is, first disadvantage is higher friction between piston and cylinder. So this is the disadvantage. Next disadvantage of meter out circuit is pump works against maximum pressure. Okay, this is also disadvantage of meter out circuit. This is the construction of meter out circuit. Meter out circuit. Okay. So in that circuit, we can use a flow control valve, variable flow control valve in between DCV and actuator on a return line. Okay. So this is a diagram of meter out circuit. So next point we discuss here, difference between meter in circuit and meter out circuit, or distinguish between meter in and meter out circuit. So in a meter in circuit, first point is flow is metered before entering into cylinder. Okay, and in meter out circuit, flow is metered after leaving the cylinder. Next point, second one is flow control valve and check valve are placed in primary or pressure line. Okay, in a meter in circuit, the flow control valve and check valve are placed in a primary or pressure line. In a meter out circuit, flow control valve and check valve are placed in return line. In meter in circuit, heated oil is taken into cylinder after throttling. In meter out circuit, heating oil is taken into reservoir after throttling. In a meter in circuit, pump doesn't work against pressure. In meter out circuit, pump works against maximum pressure. Okay. In meter in circuit, piston is not stable. In meter out circuit, piston is stable. Next, this difference between meter in meter out is, in meter in circuit used for linear speed control of a piston, and meter out circuit used for positive speed control. Example of meter in circuit is used in a grinding machine, grinding and milling machine. Okay, and in meter out circuit, example is used in drilling and reaming and boring machine. So in that machine we can use meter out circuit. So this is difference between meter in and meter out circuit. Meter in and meter out circuit. Okay, thank you.